you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one.
Greetings. It is my honor to welcome you to the USA Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai. This pavilion is a celebration of what I call American aspiration. In the United States of America, we not only dream, we take pride in what we do. We not only see what has been invented and digitalized, as we enjoy the data that comes from the invention of lives, we should be glad of the opportunity to serve others in what invention of lives. As well, we should be free and as we strive to create.
Alright, you guys can go ahead and just step with your left foot first.
Wow, it's a good way to handle people moving through.
Finally, our phone can.
Right. It's a perfect American experience. You just don't know what to do.
Sana all, baby. Sana all.
Greetings. It is my honor to welcome you to
The dawn of information brought the promise of great freedom. Freedom to dream, explore, inspire, and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future. This spirit of freedom, exploration, and aspiration has inspired generations of Americans to innovate, endeavor, and persevere. Benjamin Franklin, American father, scientist, inventor, and diplomat. As we enjoy great advantages from the invention of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of others. And this, we should be free and generous.
What is that torch, baby? It's a torch.
Statue of Liberty.
We continue to chart new courses to make the impossible possible as we strive to create a more perfect human. Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. The dawn of a new nation brought the promise of great freedom. Freedom to dream, explore, inspire, and chart the course for a better life and a brighter future. This spirit of freedom, exploration, and aspiration has inspired generations of Americans to innovate and endeavor and persevere. Another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line. The car was now within reach for many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V rockets that powered Americans to the moon help us see our world from afar for the first time, allowing us to witness how beautiful our world is. The digital age brought personal computing and the internet into the offices, homes, and hands of people around the globe. Envisioned and developed by American dreamers, the internet makes it possible to share ideas far and wide, nearly instantaneously. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and homes of people everywhere. Immediate access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Freedom affords us the opportunity to dream, to share, and to create. Invention depends upon boldness, unwavering ambition, and relentless pursuit of truth. All this asking all people to today, technology impacts all aspects of our daily lives. The safety of our smart devices is continuously ways that are not possible just 10 years ago. As the impact of the climate crisis is felt globally, understanding changing weather patterns and increasing temperatures is the job of expensive weather satellites.
The goal of NanoX is to use the harsh and unique environment of space to help mitigate some of the greatest challenges that we face here on Earth, from climate change to food scarcity.
We've announced the Star Lab Research Center, and it will be the world's first commercial space research division, which is going to be looking at how you can take the harsh environment of space and use it to create microbes, bacteria, seeds that can help mitigate climate change in the driest regions of the Earth.
Earth and space are one ecosystem, really. We are a part of each other, and so figuring out how to grow things in a much more harsh environment in space is going to help us grow things.
We're already working to benefit our world in meaningful ways. These young American doers are not waiting to make their mark.
I was named Chinese Kid of the Year for some of the work that I have done in science and technology. And some of my latest work is with anti-icicle tetanus, which helps to detect lead in drinking water faster and more inexpensive than the current tools out there. I think it's important for me to share my story. This idea that if I can do it, you can do it, and anyone can do it.
I started off with making a prosthetic arm that shoots glitter. I saw how much joy it brought, and I thought this could be a really positive opportunity for other people to be able to do what I did.
We do see people who tell us that we can't be innovators because I'm a girl, because I'm 15, because I'm South Asian.
We grew up to think that our movements and changes was bad,
Sustainable, safe, and clean energy that will power the 21st century and energize our future. Since the invention of the automobile, cities and towns have evolved around the convenience of the car, bringing us to a crossroads in the current age of the commute. With the introduction of autonomous vehicles, we are reevaluating how mobility solutions factor into our everyday life. It's a future that will reinvent transportation to determine their own future. It's a future driven by American technology, breakthroughs that have produced GPS, cloud computing, and advances that will continue to change and improve life as we know it. America is leading exploration of the final frontier with a new generation of space flight that is set to take humans back to the moon and beyond. Already, private industry is launching high-speed internet constellations, bringing broadband internet to all parts of our world, and even launching phone-sized CubeSats to low Earth orbit, providing important data to help folks predict storms and even sending tourists into space.
battery.
The crew have maintained a continuous presence 400 kilometers over the Earth for over 20 years. Today, we stand at a new frontier of discovery. The lessons of our unquenchable curiosity set the foundation for an exciting new future. And labs across America, scientists and engineers work to unlock the vast power of quantum computing. Cures for illness and disease, for example, may be found in qubits. The next generation code that unleashes the speed and potential of quantum computing. Quantum computing, as if never before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel opportunity, mobility, and sustainability from the Earth to the moon. And now, far beyond. NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers are conducting experiments that will help us safely set foot on the red planet. The United States has been exploring the Martian surface for 17 uninterrupted years, and our ongoing exploration heralds a new age of space discovery.
See what Joe Biden says. Cold? It's the temperature for Americans. You feel comfortable, it's nice. Oh wow. It's the first they ever saw of Mars. Oh, here's to the other side.
currently still active. On the left, that was taken earlier this year, and on the right was taken in the 1960s. So we have a lot better image quality today. So since we don't have people, this is kind of what's going on. It's these two pictures? Yeah,
Touch it. Come on her hair.
Excuse me. Are you collecting things?
Yes. I have green pens to trade.
Yeah.
You want an American pen? Yeah.
Is it fine? That's
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah.